Hello guys, welcome back to my channel TechChimp. Today we are going to talk about how to change the Yahoo search engine to the Google search engine in Chrome. So let's start. Open Google Chrome. Here, enter any searchable thing in the box. I am searching HP laptops. As you can see, it is searching in the Yahoo search engine. To change this search engine to Google, click on these three dots. Go down and click on the Settings option. Here, click on the Search Engine option. You can see we have 5 options to change the search engine, but we are going to select a Google option from the list. After selecting Google, restart Chrome. Now again, enter any searchable thing. I am searching Dell laptops. So finally, you can see that our search engine has been changed. All the searches are going into the Google search engine. There is one more option to make it faster. Click on these 3 dots, then select Settings. Click on the Appearance option. Here, click on the Show Home button. After enabling this, enter the www.google.com website into it. You can see the Home button added to Chrome. If you click on this Home button, it will open the Google search engine, where you can do your searches. So guys, you can also use this method to change your search engine in Chrome.